Okay, let's do a few examples on multiplication tables review. So we're going to fill in the multiplication tables below and answer the questions. So we have one group of 5, so that's just 1 5. So 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, two groups of 5, 2 times 5, that's what it means. That's going to give us 10. That's like saying 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, we had 3 times 5, that means 3 groups of 5, so that's 15. And then when we do an addition, 5 plus 5 is going to give us 15. Here we have 4 groups of 5. That's going to give us 4 times 5 is 20. And as you can see, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is going to give us 20. And as you can see, the addition is taking longer. The multiplication is more quick and simple. 5 times 5, we have 5 groups of 5. So that's 25. And you can see 5 plus 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 plus 5. We have 5 5s here, 5 groups of 5. So you can see when we add them up, we get 25. But this is much quicker, as you can see. Here we have 6 times 5 is 30. We have 6 groups of 5, so that would be, we have 6 groups of 5, so 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So we have 6 groups of 5 right here, which will give us 30. We have 7 times 5, so we have 7 groups of 5. So that gives us 35. So that's 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. We have 7 groups of 5, and that would give us 35. And as you can see, when I multiply by a higher number, as you can see, 1 times 5 is 5, then I multiply 2 times 5 and I get 10. It's getting increased by 5. So as you can see, it's getting increased by 5. So we have here 7 times 5 is 35. What's the next number going to be? 8 times 5. That's going to be 40, because we're increasing by 5, as you can see. And 9 times 5 would be 45. As you can see, there's a pattern. It's by 5 every time. 10 times 5 is 50. 11 times 5 is 55. And 12 times 5 is 60. So as you can see, it's again increased by 5, more than, plus 5. And that's how you would do it. So multiplication tables is pretty simple. You just need to get the hang of it. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept. What are we doing here?